Nature creates no waste. For billions of years, our natural ecosystems have regenerated themselves. Waste is a human invention.
We are not thinking about how we are using our resources, whether in a circular loop or in ways that are regenerative.
And that is the problem.
As soon as you create a population of consumers, you're creating a population that creates waste.
The scale is getting mind-boggling, so the waste generation will increase to almost 10 times in the next 20 years.
Waste is all around us, yet we seldom think about it, despite all of us creating waste every single day. In our cities and neighborhoods, at home, and even with the clothes we wear. So the real question is, why is waste so ignored when it's staring us in the face? Maybe it's because we are blinded by shiny new things. Maybe it's because the true impact is being hidden from us.
More than half of the waste in the world is ending up in the wrong places.
There is actually no such thing as waste. Every product has a value. Every product can be recycled, upcycled, refurbished, reused.